So, you want to set up OpenClaw. Before you dive in, here are the things I wish someone had told me first. You need 3 things. First, hardware to run it on. A Mac Mini is the community favorite, but a Linux VPS or even a Raspberry Pi 5 will do. It runs as a persistent process, so it needs to be always on. Second, an API key from an LLM provider, Claude, GPT, or DeepSeek. OpenClaw doesn't include an AI model. It's the framework that connects a model to your tools and your life. Third, a messaging platform. WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, pick whichever you already live in. That's how you'll talk to your agent. Installation is straightforward. Run the onboarding wizard from your terminal, that's OpenClaw Onboard, and it walks you through setting up the gateway, your workspace, and connecting your first messaging channel. If you'd rather not do it manually, you can actually tell Claude Code to set the whole thing up for you, including running it inside Docker for better security isolation. That's the recommended approach if you're comfortable with it. Now, the part most guides skip. Security. OpenClaw gets access to whatever you connect it to. Your email, your calendar, your file system, your terminal. That's what makes it powerful, and that's what makes it risky. Give it the least access it needs to do its job. Run it in Docker so it's sandboxed from your main system. And do not give it unrestricted access before you trust it and your config. A Meta AI security researcher watched her agent delete her entire inbox while ignoring her commands to stop. Start small. Give it read access to one thing. Watch how it behaves. Then expand from there. Once it's running, you personalize it. Chat with your agent, give it a name, tell it your preferences. The real power comes from skills. These are simple markdown files that tell your agent how to handle specific tasks. You can write them yourself, ask the agent to create them, or install community skills. Think of them as instruction manuals your agent actually reads. That's the essentials. Hardware, an API key, a messaging app, and a healthy respect for what you're handing control to. For the full deep dive on OpenClaw, head to singularitysoup.com and subscribe. We cover AI news like this every single day.